Hello designers. Today we will see how to recover AutoCAD files, especially files that could not be saved due to crashes or other errors. So let's open AutoCAD first. Last time my AutoCAD crashed and my file was not saved. If your AutoCAD has crashed, your interface will look like this. You will see the Drawing Recovery Manager tab automatically turn on, just like this. If you see the normal interface like this, just click Menu, Recover, and click Open the Drawing Recovery Manager. You will see the Drawing Recovery Manager tab automatically open. Now inside the Drawing Recovery Manager, all previously worked files are visible. And if you click any of these, under the subsection, you can see the temporary files and the backup files. You can open any of these files from here. The back extension file, which is backup file, and the main files and the temporary files. You can also check other files from the Drawing Recovery Manager and recover any files without any hassle. Now the important part is to turn on automatic save file. Go to Option and go to Open and Save File tab and turn on automatic save file, and you can choose how many times a duration the file saved and press OK. Let's see another way to recover AutoCAD files. Open Run or tap Windows key plus R. Now type this command and press OK. This command will open the Windows temp directory. Usually you can search by the desired title or find the files that have this extension. Now rename this extension to DWG and try to open this with AutoCAD. As you can see, our file is opened, and now we can save another location. Some files may have randomly generated titles, so you need to pay attention to the extension. Similarly, you need to change this type of extension to DWG and try to open with AutoCAD. As you can see, our file is opened successfully. Now you can save this file anywhere you want. So hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.